So till last video we were done with a lot of things like xylem, phloem, their types and all things. Today we are going with the water transport. Mainly about water transports. First thing, like movement of this tells movement of water. Movement of water molecules from soil to roots, or from leaf to mesophyll cells, leaf to mesophyll cells, all mesophyll cells, all called as water transport, or like simply movement of water from stomata to environment, or that from soil to roots, or this all things take place regularly. So this all is known as water transport. I'm sure it's clear to you. Mainly our topic is about all other types. So today in this video we will be going with the water potential. In easy word I will try to make you understand. So let's start. First thing, if you see a simple, this is a container and you see molecules like these are molecules are called as, these are molecules which have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is like, of course water molecule sometimes moves, and even we see a sometime movement like that, and that is because they have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. And so if you'll be thinking why we're discussing kinetic energy here, so kinetic energy in water, like in H2O, that would be called as water potential, because here we also saw the word water. Kinetic energy in water termed as water potential. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Simply this was all. Of course we know water moves from higher concentration to lower concentration. Water potential is denoted by psi, like this is psi, which is this kind of symbol. Okay, so I'm sure it's clear to you. So if you just take an example to go in a little detail, like you'll find this example as well. If this is a container and here we have water molecules, and we just add few other solute, something like salt or sugar, you added few things like that. So this means this was before pure water, but then it is then we are adding, like this means plus solute could be either that's sugar or salt, that could be anything, but we have added solute, pure water plus solute, then they will form what? They will form water potential, which would be decrease. Water potential decrease. When decrease, this means it's showing that this have become negative. So water this means that solute potential is always negative. So whenever you just see solute potential, if you've added solute, so it would be termed as solute potential, always negative. So I'm sure it's clear to you. So this means movement of molecules in a container somewhere, there's water, so kinetic energy is there, and kinetic energy in water is termed as water potential, that's denoted by psi, and it's force per unit, like it's a force, mean the unit would be Pascal, and whenever we just add Pascal in this, so it could be anything, it could be any Pascal, mega, and something like that. And just one very important thing, that whenever you see solute is directly proportional to what inversely, not directly, inversely proportional to water potential. So if one will increase, second will decrease. So that's why we just wrote that this is always negative. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.